guys, I'm back to start on making a pattern for the shoe last. Now this shoe last, it can be either a pattern for a tennis shoe or a boot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to design a pattern for maybe a tennis shoe. So we did our center lines down the front and we did the center lines down the heel. So for a tennis shoe, you know how the tennis shoe have the eyelets of the tennis shoe? So we're going to try to create that. But first, you're going to get your 1/2 inch start. So you put your finger to make your 1/2 inch start on the center line of your masking tape. And you're going to do the same thing for the back of the heel. So put your finger at 1/2 inch and make your mark. That is just to get your design started and to leave leeway in case you mess up. So you don't want to go too far up because you will be cutting half of that off unless you're making a high top boot or tennis shoe. You want to leave that. But I'm going to start making the eyelets of the tennis shoe here right underneath those marks. And it's usually probably about 6 to 8 eyelets on a tennis shoe, but I'm going to just do 4 for now, just for the sake of time. So guys, if you can see the marks for the eyelets. And then I think I want to make just some designs for a tennis shoe here. Like, let's see. Maybe some lines down the side of the shoe. Now I'm going to go on the other side and make the same lines down the shoe. And the reason why you use a pencil, guys, you mess up, you can always erase. So that's the best part about using masking tape. It's easy to use a pencil on it, and you can either erase your design or start all over. You can see the designs on the shoe last. And whatever type design you want to make, you can just play with it, erase it if you don't like it, or keep it. I'm just playing around, guys, just to show you different little patterns you can do on your shoe. You can make all kind of type of designs on the shoe. Just play with it and have fun. Little cricket there. Let me erase that and straighten it up a little. So guys, just for the sake of time, just to show you how you can design your shoe last. And when I come back, I'm going to show you how to cut it off and to show you that you will have a left pattern and a right pattern. Alright guys, be right back.